And as Himanta Biswa Sarma put his political rivals on the mat, Maharashtra Samajwadi Party chief Abu Azmi has now come out and said that all of the history that is being shown by the BJP is completely wrong. He says Aurangzeb built many temples. He was not cruel as the BJP claims him to be. Yasha now joining us, getting us more details. Yasha, it will be interesting to see if Samajwadi Party and their allies, the Congress, actually back what Abu Azmi is saying, because he is responding not just to what Himanta Biswa Sarma has said, but he goes on to say that Aurangzeb wasn't cruel at all.
Absolutely. In fact, this very statement comes in from the Samajwadi leader, Abu Azmi, while he made this very statement. But, when he spoken about this, he said that the history that's being shown is wrong, and has further gone ahead to mention that Aurangzeb built many temples for the Hindu community. But, however, this statement has not really gone well. In fact, with the Maharashtra government, the Deputy Chief Minister, that is Eknath Shinde, has gone ahead and mentioned that the statement that made Abu Azmi is wrong and it should be condemned. He is further gone and also questioned the stance was taken by Aurangzeb against Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, saying that he had tortured him for around 40 days, and calling out Aurangzeb, stating that he was a good person in this thing. In fact, the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has asked Abu Azmi to apologize and said that he should be charged with treason. Yes.
So this is the latest in the list of controversial comments that Abu Azmi has made. He's no stranger to controversy. He's been made several such remarks in the past as well. And as you're pointing out, Yasha, reactions are already pouring in. The BJP, the Shinde Sena have all latched on to what Mr. Abu Azmi has said, because there is in fact evidence that Aurangzeb had destroyed several temples across the country. And despite that, we have someone like Abu Azmi coming out and saying that, but no, he was not cruel at all.
Absolutely. In fact, this very statement has, also been condemned, particularly because of the fact that, yes, there is evidence that there were several temples that were attacked by Aurangzeb. And also, when it comes to Maharashtra is a state which respects Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. And the fact that, Aurangzeb had tortured Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj for 40 days, something that's out in open. Over the last couple of months, we've seen how there has been several war of words, controversies over, claiming the lineage for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and invoking him as someone who is the pride of Maharashtra. So, which is a statement like this, which comes from Abu Azmi, is something that's also condemned by several leaders. Yes.
Yasha, do stay on with us. Like you were pointing out, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Eknath Shinde, has reacted to this. Let's listen in.
उनका बयान सामने आया है, किस तरह से देखते हो?
उनका बयान बहुत ही गलत है और निंदाजनक है। जिन्होंने जो औरंगजेब ने छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज को 40 दिन इनका हलाल किया है, अत्याचार किया है, उनके नाखून निकाले, आंख निकाले, चमड़ी उधेड़ दी, जीभ जबान काट दी, ऐसे औरंगजेब को अच्छा कहना ये तो महापाप है। और इसलिए ये अबू आजमी इन्होंने माफी मांगनी चाहिए, या हमारे मुख्यमंत्री उन्होंने भी बहुत ही गंभीरता से उनकी बात को लिया है। और निश्चित रूप से ऐसे अबू आजमी को जिन्होंने देशभक्त का अपमान किया है, शिवाजी महाराज, छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज, ये हमारे राष्ट्र पुरुष थे, ये राष्ट्र पुरुषों का अपमान है, इसलिए उनके ऊपर देशद्रोह का गुना दाखिल करना चाहिए।
किस तरह से उनका बयान सामने आया है?
Yasha continues to be with us. Yasha, it will be interesting to see how the Congress reacts to this entire issue, isn't it? Or even the Uddhav Sena. They have been allies with the Samajwadi Party in Maharashtra. Is this something that the Uddhav Sena is backing?
As of now, of course, while the statement has been made by Abu Azmi, there is no counter or any kind of a stand that's been taken by Congress or Uddhav Thackeray. And of course, like you rightly mentioned, it will be interesting to see how they react, just because of the fact that any kind of a statement which goes against Shivaji Maharaj in supporting Aurangzeb would not really go well in Maharashtra. And that's how we see that this very statement which comes in from Abu Azmi, would be interesting to know the statement coming in from the allies, particularly because as of now, allies.
Sorry to interrupt you there. I'll just come back to you. But Shiv Sena, Shaina NC now joining us on the broadcast. Thank you so much for speaking with us here on CNN News 18. We've heard, of course, what your leader Eknath Shinde has said. But Do you think this puts the Uddhav Sena specifically in a tight spot, since they're allies there in Maharashtra?
Absolutely, it shows you that the Uddhav Sena is not even in a position to speak. But my request to Abu Azmi ji, that he should first read up on history, because Aurangzeb destroyed thousands of Hindu temples, including the Trambakeshwar temple and the temple next to the Kashi Vishwanath temple also. He ordered the destruction of Jagannath temple in Bengal, and the examples are endless. He destroyed 1,000-year-old temples which were built, and built mosques over them. The Marathas recaptured Nashik in 1751 and then built the temple. So for all this big talk that he's giving, the time has come for him to speak up on what the facts and the reality are, rather than trying to make it a generic experiment of his vote bank politics.
But do you think Abu Azmi would either apologize or take back his statement, given the kind of reactions that have come to it?
He must, because crores of Indians are watching what he is saying, and do understand it is only because of the Marathas that we were able to rebuild these old temples. Aurangzeb was nothing but a destroyer of Hindu beliefs, and as he destroyed 1,000-year-old temple in Trimbakeshwar, it was not the only example. I mean, you even have examples of other temples which were destroyed, and the barbaric experiment of trying to showcase what they believed was the Sultanate is known to one and all, because Kashi Vishwanath temple, the small temple next to it, was also destroyed, and only in 1751 that they were rebuilt as temples by the Marathas.
Absolutely. So perhaps a history lesson is due for Mr. Abu Azmi. But Shaina Ansi, thank you so much for speaking with us here on CNN News 18. BHP's Vinod Bansal also joining us on this broadcast. Sir, कैसे देखते हैं आप इस बयान को? औरंगजेब क्रूल नहीं है, कह रहे हैं अबू आजमी. उन्होंने तो काफी मंदिर बनाए हैं.
नहीं तो फिर ये अपने इनके पार्टी के अध्यक्ष अखिलेश जी कहे हैं ना कि संभाजी महाराज के नाखूनों को नोचने वाला, उनकी जीभ काटने वाला और उनकी आंखें फोड़ने वाला, लोहे की सलाखों से आंखें फोड़ने वाला कौन था? क्या इनके दादा परदादा थे क्या? आप मुझे बताइए कि गुरु तेग बहादुर जी का शीश कलम करने वाला कौन था? गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी और उनके 4 साहिबजादों की हत्या करने वाला कौन था? उनको ऊपर आक्रमण करने वाला कौन था? भारत के साथ युद्ध रचने वाला कौन था? ये अबू आदमी सीधे सीधे क्यों नहीं कहते कि औरंगजेब उनका अबू है, ये अबू का अबू है? बेवकूफी की हद होती है. देश को भ्रमित करना, ये इसीलिए इस पार्टी को समाजवादी नहीं नमाजवादी पार्टी बोला जाता है, क्योंकि लगातार इन्होंने सिर्फ मुस्लिम तुष्टीकरण के लिए किसी भी हद तक गिर जाना, ये इनका चरित्र बन गया है. अबू आदमी को कम से कम पार्टी को तो छोड़ दीजिए, कम से कम महाराष्ट्र में जहाँ रहते हैं वहां उसकी इज्जत का तो ध्यान रखना चाहिए ना. संभाजी महाराज जो है वो अकेले ऐसे योद्धा थे जिन्होंने उसको नाकोतने चबा दिए थे. एक तरफ 10 लाख की सेना और दूसरी तरफ ये चंद मुट्ठी भर इनके सैनिक कितने बहादुरी के साथ रहे थे. लेकिन अकेले को घेर करके मारना, क्या ये कोई बुजदिली नहीं है? ऐसे विदेशी आक्रांता, आतंकवादी, आताताई और देश के दुश्मनों के साथ खड़े रहना, ये नमाजवादियों की हमेशा से प्रकृति और संस्कृति रही है. और लगातार ये पूरा गैंग है इंडी का जो कभी सनातन को नेस्तनाबूद करने पर तुला हुआ है, तो कभी कोई डेंगू मलेरिया बताता है, तो कभी कुंभ पर क्वेश्चन उठाता है, तो कभी कुछ और कभी कुछ. इनका हिंदुद्रोही चरित्र, भारत विरोधी जो चेहरा है वो पूरी तरह से बेनकाब हो चुका है. अब भारत की जनता और खासतौर पर उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ऐसे सारे जिहादी मानसिकता के लोगों को अच्छी तरह पहचान रही है. वो ये भी समझती है कि आखिरकार ये किसकी औलाद है. सीधे सीधे क्यों नहीं कहते यहाँ औरंगजेब हमारे दादा परदादा थे? ये अबू आदमी कहें कि वो मेरा अबू था, वो नहीं कहेंगे. और अभी आप देखिए कि इन्हीं के जो सहयोगी हैं और वो AIM के, वो कल ही कह रहे थे कि नहीं हमारा औरंगजेब से कोई रिश्ता नहीं है. लेकिन वो भी ये नहीं कहेंगे कि आखिरकार जो औरंगजेब ने किया वो गलत किया.